starting a new project. It's AI character generation. Yeah, there are already a lot of apps like this, from big companies to indie developers, but I still want to build it. Projects like this force you to think about lots of different things. How you store your media, where you store it, how you process it. It's all about technology. Technology stack that we're going to use. On the front end, I'm going to use Next.js. It's solid, production proven. And even though it has some issues, the pros definitely outweighs the cons. I will deploy it on Cloudflare. It's global, fast, and helps keep things simple. For the backend, everything will be on AWS. It's an industry standard, and honestly, I know it pretty well. It will help me to concentrate on structure and architecture instead of finding tools. I actually started this project before, but I had to abandon it. So this time I'm starting from scratch. Let's see where this goes.